Some Instagram users are reporting an issue where the stories on the platform do not play any sound for some reason. Most of the reports are from those who recently updated to iOS 16.4. This is frustrating as they are unable to enjoy the stories posted by their friends and family. But before we get to that, if this video ends up helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. This bug generally pops up when your phone is in silent mode. It's worth noting that this isn't the first time Instagram users have experienced this issue. The same bug also popped up after the iOS 15 update in 2021. Previously, users were able to temporarily resolve the problem by turning off silent mode. Fortunately, this workaround still helps in getting rid of the issue. Sadly, Instagram has not yet acknowledged the problem. We'll update our article about this matter as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.